Hi, Melissa.
And I'm Nissa.
And we put together a rap poem and a picture video for Twist Magazine to meet Justin Bieber contest. So I hope you enjoy.
So you may think this video is lame and retarded, but I'm here to tell you how Justin Bieber got started. Making YouTube videos from when he was young, it's pretty amazing how good this kid sounds.
Born and raised in Canada, man that's straight. Score 1 through 5, you know you're an 8. Your long hair and brown eyes, wow you're so hot. Some think they're better, but they're surely not.
Born in March, that means you're a Pisces. Let's take our chances and roll them dice. Moved to Georgia in 2007. Looking at you was like getting a glimpse of heaven.
I've heard he's got siblings, he must be a good bro. Started singing for fun and now he's a pro. Out of all these guys, he's just not the same. Beyonce, Rihanna, Taylor, man, he's got game.
I'll be your one girl, you'll be my #1 guy. You know we'll be rocking cause man, you so fly. I just want to meet you just for a bit. Our love's like a flame that just needs to be lit. Now that we're finished, we just want you to know
that Justin, we love you and we want to come to your show.
My stomach won't stop. And even though it's a struggle, love is all we got. So we gon' keep climbing to the mountains. We're big enough to stand in the picture. We're big enough to stand next to love. I was a player when I was little, but I'm bigger, a heartbreaker when I was little, but I'm bigger. Baby, you can do no wrong. My money is yours, give you a little more because I love ya. With me, girl, is where you belong. She makes me happy. There's gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. There's gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. How many I told yous and start overs and shoulders have you cried on before?